This how to 1 minute will show you how to change WordPress database prefix to improve security. To improve your database WordPress security, you can change the prefix name. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to do it. Log into your cPanel and open File Manager. Now open your website folder. And here search for wp-config.php file. So we are going to edit this file. And here search for this code table_prefix, and here you have to change this name, basically the table prefix name. Change WP to whatever you want, but it's recommended that you keep the underscore after it is intact. So I'm giving here WP434D and then click on Save Changes. And that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.